It's me again. If you're new to my channel, thanks for watching. This video, I have a small little tool haul video. It's not really a big tool haul, but it's tools. So let me lower this a little bit here, just so I can show you. I'm not doing any work because I wore the wrong shirt. Plus, it's raining out. The thing I was supposed to be working on, which was the sandblasting box, I'm supposed to be spray painting it outside. It is raining out, so can't paint that. Today's video, I don't know if I put this in the other video, I forgot. I got one of these. I managed to snipe this off of ePay for less than 20 bucks, I think. It was around 20 bucks. I wanted one of these big fat screwdrivers, the little perfect handle ones. It's really cool. It is a Irwin. I don't know if you can see the logo there. Picked it up. I've already used it a couple times. Used it with a paint can. They're actually, I don't know why they don't make screwdrivers like this anymore. They're wood handles. They're metal. And if the handle breaks, you just make a new one. Put it in there. Of course, it's not exactly the easiest handle to make, but I mean, look, it's all steel. It'll be here for another 100 years. This is going to break down off gas and fall apart and basically be a piece of junk in so many years. Maybe not in 20 years, but eventually this thing's going to off gas and crumble. This wood is known to last thousands of years. Metal, keep it nice and oiled, might last 400 years for all we know. So that's just my opinion. That's the first thing. So if you want to take a look at it, it's got a really nice handle. I was surprised. It's in really good shape. Like, I don't know if someone rehandled it or what, but this is quite the beauty. It's I wasn't sure. I was like, there's got to be something wrong with it. Maybe it's bent. I didn't check that. So anyway, I got that. The other two things, or four things, I didn't pick up. It was brought to me, and I was like, whatever. One of them is a Perfetto oil squirt gun. It's in good shape. I don't know if it squirts oil. Hope there's no oil in it. So I got one of these, which, if you already know, I have a few other ones. Like I have this one right here. See? I have that oil can. I also, on top of this one, I also have this one right here. It's a little larger. This one's like the size of the top part, so holds a little more oil. I got a few dozen more over there, and I think that's it really. So this one's if you open it up here, I'll show you. See the inside. That's the beauty on the inside. There's still oil dripping in it. It's in nice shape. There's what looks to be no rust on it, so that's one of them. And there's this one with the weird, I don't know if it's, what the hell is wrong, like, it's got some kind of plastic hose. I guess it's bendable, but not really. It's a Pressel number 5133. It's got a few scratches. Made in Germany. I don't have one that's made in Germany. I don't know if it works. See? Yeah, it works. Works good. I'm not going to press it. If this was me and I was at an antique store, I'd be squirting this thing all over the store, because I'm an idiot like that. I don't do it on purpose. I just go to them, I start pushing the button. I'm like, ooh, better run. Better take it and run. So it's, sorry. Whoever's antique store got oil on, I apologize. I'm an idiot. I also got two of these. They are drop forged, made USA. Very nice. Oiled Armstrong. Is it Armstrong? Armstrong clamps. They're pretty nice. I use clamps all the time. So, you know, this isn't the biggest video, but they seem to be, let's see if they're, I didn't even check if they were straight. Did not even check. Yeah, that one booms out straight. A lot of times they're all like this. They don't even clamp right from people abusing them, putting a pipe wrench on here. Whatever you do, don't put a pipe wrench on this. If you need a bigger clamp, buy a bigger clamp. Stronger one. See, this one's nice and straight. Pretty heavy duty. So I stopped buying these a long time ago because I don't need any more. they're nice to have some. If I see a really unique old one, I'll pick up one or two, but I won't buy a ton of them. Like I have enough. I don't need 500 of them. That's pretty much it for my tool haul, and this is my favorite. This is by far. This one's my favorite, and let's see if we can find the other one. And this one right here, see, 2 sizes, little tiny one. I also have. Where's the other one? Where's my other one? I don't know. It's lost in my drawer. Is it in here? Oh, I have this one too. So I got multiple sizes. This one's like, I don't know if you can see this. Here, try to hold it like so. That's the size difference in between most of them. It's about that big. This one's cool though. It's like really, really tiny. I thought it was neat. It's not. Plus the tip's not abused. This one looks like the tip has been, I don't know, torched maybe. I don't know, just dirty. It's got a Ryanus made in something. It's got a little name on it, but it's pretty cool. It's a little loose, not perfect. But I'll put those in the drawer. Those are my coolest things. So yeah, I'll add just a little thing of videos. And anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me how you like this video. So toodles.